In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from QuickBooks to Xero. We're going to keep this simple and focused on getting your exported QuickBooks files into Xero using the Files inbox. Think of the Files area as a secure staging space inside Xero where you can store the documents and CSVs you'll later use for imports or attach to transactions. Before you start, make sure you've already saved your QuickBooks exports to your computer, and that you're signed in to the correct Xero organization with the right permissions. Begin by logging into Xero. Once you're in, glance at the organization name in the top bar to confirm you're working in the right company. If you manage more than one organization, this quick check helps avoid uploading files to the wrong place. Next, open the organization name dropdown in the top left and choose Files. This takes you to Xero's central document library for your organization. If you don't see files in the menu, it could be a permissions issue. An advisor or admin user in your team can grant access. Inside the Files area, you'll see the Inbox tab. This is where we'll place the QuickBooks data you've prepared. The inbox keeps everything in one spot so you can easily find and use it during imports or when attaching supporting documents to bills, invoices, or bank transactions. Click Upload to Files Inbox. In the file picker, select the QuickBooks export files you previously saved. Common formats include CSV for lists and transactions and PDFs or spreadsheets for source documents. If your files are large, consider uploading them in smaller batches so they process smoothly. Clear, consistent file names help a lot. Adding the data type and date to the file name makes locating the right file faster later on. Avoid password-protected archives, since Xero can't open those inside the Files area. After selecting your files, wait for the upload to complete. You'll see them appear in the inbox once they're finished. A quick note on expectations. Uploading to files doesn't automatically import your data into Xero's ledgers. It safely stores your QuickBooks exports so you can use them as source files when you run Xero's import tools or attach them as documentation. If an upload ever fails, check your internet connection, try a smaller batch, or confirm the file format is supported and saved with standard encoding like UTF-8. That's the process. Log in, open the organization menu, go to Files, and upload your QuickBooks exports to the Files inbox. You now have everything staged in Xero and ready for your next steps.